Hi, it's Gary at Broad Lane Leisure. Today I'm going to show you around this 2017 Coachman Pastiche 460. It's a two-berth and bathroom model, as you probably know. It's a one-owner caravan from new. It's had its first service this year, 2018. It's in absolutely lovely condition. And without further ado, I'm going to show you around it. That's the image from the offside then. It comes with the ATC system, just to let you know. Now on the near side, the door side, there we go, look. It also comes with external barbecue point for outdoor cooking. You've got an access locker to the space under the front seats, and underneath there is an external power point too, but you access it via that locker there. I say it's got the ATC. Paintwork's all nice and bright. All the graphics are nice and smart, as you would expect. Alloy wheels. Now it's just arrived. He's awaiting preparation, so this is a, dare I say, a sneak peek video. Interior, so it's like new. Funny enough, the lady and gentleman just part exchanged it with us, have bought another Coachman. As a bit of a treat to themselves. You've got the Hecky roof light there, panoramic fixed window, so the caravan does look stunning, dare I say it, from the exterior. You've got 3 opening windows at the front. It incorporates the easy operation blinds, which include the night fly screen, all in one system. Plenty of locker storage. You've even got discreetly hidden over locker lighting. Curtains are purely decorative then. Touch operation lights, so no button as such. LED, nice bright white lights too. Useful chest of drawers, somewhere to put, dare I say it, drinks, have your meal on there rather than getting the big table out. But great space for magazines, newspapers, etc. The lounge area then does make into 2 single beds or a double to suit. It's super easy to operate. You slide the mechanism from the right side across to the left side, and that makes into your double bed. I say it's one owner from new, and it's got full and complete service history. It's in stunning condition. It has just arrived and is awaiting preparation. Got the mini Hecky roof light over the kitchen, so that's allowing extra light through. Nice touch there with the different coloured lockers there, just to differentiate the kitchen area. Swan neck mixer tap. Full cooker. It does incorporate the useful electric hot plate, useful if you dare I say it, run out of gas. Lots of storage space. Facing then, you've got a useful microwave. It benefits from the Alde wet central heating system, absolute joy to use, super simple to operate, and keep you nice and toasty warm even in the colder months. You notice the worktop there is the same height as the kitchen worktop facing. So not only does it double up as additional preparation space as required, but you'll notice you've got power and aerial point there, so somewhere to pop your TV. Bedford, easy to use fridge with freezer compartment. A little locker there that opens and it reveals a little mini radiator, so great place to pop maybe your slippers, walking boots to dry out wellies, etc, etc. Door to the washroom on the back, then you've got a swivel seat, push button electric flush loo, opaque window. It's even got the heated towel rail, okay, over the Alde heating system, locker storage, another mini Hecky pop-up vent there, look. Illuminated mirror, proper wash basin, and dare I say it, a proper size shower too, so easy for us big chaps to get in and out of. That completes the tour around this 2017 Coachman Pastiche 460. It's in lovely condition. Any questions, please call. It's 01789 763 432. Thank you.